you guys ever had a wet dream? Alright, so the new Bowdens Wet Dreams is a protective spray on rinse off sealant. It's super hydrophobic and damn easy to use apparently. So what I've seen online is you just spray it on a clean panel. You can either, there's two ways to do it. You can either use a cloth and wipe it into the paint, then hose it off, or you can just spray it on and then just hose it off with like a pressure washer. Either way works, but we're going to use the cloth method by wiping it into the paint. You use less product and you're more likely to get a better coat. So we're going to take the Jeep outside, wash it down, then we're going to start using this new product. Alright, so we've cleaned down the surface of the Jeep before applying this product. Now it's going to work better on modern clear coat cars, but if it's going to work on a 14-year-old four-wheel drive, it's probably going to work just as good on any other older vehicle. Alright, so what we're doing is going to shake up our product and then a nice even coat across the surface. You can see there, even just spraying it on, it's starting to work. But a nice even coat around the surface. Get your cloth and just wipe it in. Try and do it evenly so you get a good spread of the product across the surface. Now this is safe to use on plastics, wheels, wouldn't recommend it doing it on the windscreen, but safe for all plastics, so don't worry about getting it on that. But anything you do get it on, just make sure you hose off thoroughly. So it's nice and worked in. Alright, now you got a nice even coating of the product. If you get it on plastics, like plastic guards and stuff like that, don't be concerned, it works just fine on them. Just be sure that you do a nice even coat and you don't let the product dry. So what you've got to do is get your hose and hose it down. You can see already start seeing the product working. You can see all that water just bead off. Alright, so we're all done now. So the product is super easy to use. All you got to do is spray it on, wipe it into a nice even layer and wash it off. So the product actually cures with water, so the higher pressure water you use, the better the product's going to cure and the faster it's going to cure it as well. But I'm just using a garden hose on like a hard setting, which is working absolutely perfect, but if you've got a gurney or a pressure washer, you're going to get faster and better results. So there's a few other products in the market that offer the same sort of thing, but it does take 24 hours for it to cure, where this one cures right away, so there's no waiting around. You can see it actually working right in front of you, actually, as you saw earlier. Then you're left with a super hydrophobic surface, which is easier to clean, and the shine on it is insane for a 13-year-old Jeep. So you're left with a fully hydrophobic surface, which is super easy to clean, safe on all trims, guards, bumpers, headlights, all trimmings. Probably wouldn't use it on your soft top if you've got a soft top. You can buy other products that I've actually done a video which I'll put just up here so you can check that out. But super happy with the results. Let's check out some of that bead porn. How sexy is that? I could look at that bead porn all day long. So to actually get the car prepped to dry it, instead of leaving all the water on the surface and making drying time longer. All you got to do is put it on a center setting with your hose, or take the hose attachment off if you want, and just pull it, and all the water just pulls together, all those beads pull together. So from that to that, all the beads just pull together, so you can go along, and it makes drying the car so much easier. Alright, so for a 14-year-old black 4-wheel drive, the paint looks so good now. Silky to touch, so smooth, so satisfying, you almost don't want to get it dirty. But maybe next week, we will be getting it dirty. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to check out this product, I'll leave a link in the description, so you guys can go check it out. And they ship, they're an Australian made product, local to the Sunshine Coast, but they ship all around the world. So don't worry about that. So thanks for watching, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.